So today's video is how to install or replace the ink cartridge of HP Deskjet 3755 printer. Now to replace the ink cartridge, the first step is to switch on the printer, and once your printer is on, display screen is working, then we open the front counter, and the ink cartridge we use for this printer is number 65, that is tricolor and black. So it's very simple, we just need to open from here. You will see the sockets will come in the middle. Simply press it downwards and it will come out, both for the ink and tricolor. And when we have to reinstall, we just simply need to enter it here and push it inwards for the both, and just close the chamber, and that is done. So now your printer is ready and the ink is installed. Thanks for watching.